Okay, let's start. Can we start, right? Down to green.
Glide slope, glide slope. Pull up, pull up.
Wind shear, wind shear, wind shear.
Terrain, terrain, pull up. Terrain, terrain, pull up.
Airspeed low.
Passengers are coming. Thank you. Box off. Put an auto. 150. And altitude from let's set auto. Okay. I'm ready for the pre-flight checklist. I mean, yeah.
Preflight checklist.
Pre-flight checklist. Oxygen,
Tested 100%.
tested 100%. Navigation, transfer and display switches, normal and auto. Window width, on. Pressurization mode selector, auto. Flying instruments,
Heading 096. Altitude 1020, 1018.
yep. Parking brake,
Set.
engine start level.
Cutoff.
Pre-flight checklist completed.
May you ask for
The clearance.
right now?
No problem. That's it. Starting engine number 2.
Yep.
Alive. Okay, starter cutoff.
Start engine 1.
Starting engine 1. Starter cutoff. Before taxi checklist. Generators on. Probe it on. Anti-ice is not required. Isolation valve. Isolation valve auto. Engine start switches to continuous. Recall. Checked. Auto brakes. RTO. Engine start levers.
Idle detent.
And ground equipment
Clear.
And clear from my sides. And before taxi checklist is completed.
Before takeoff checklist.
No problem. Before takeoff checklist, cabin report received, flaps
5 green lights.
and stabilizer trim.
5.5 units.
Yes, checked. And before takeoff checklist completed.
Sky 0911.
Sky 0911, ready for departure 15.
Sky 0911, wind 1306 knots, runway 15 to takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 15 for Sky 0911.
Prepare yourself mentally what could happen. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Especially now. Are you
But
ready?
I'm ready.
You have control?
I have control.
So?
Set track of thrusts.
I will let you adjust you.
Yeah. Well, it's okay. You can accelerate straight away. It's almost done. It's perfect.
Press set.
Checked. Checked.
V1.
Rotate. V2. Positive rate.
And gear up.
Master caution.
Master caution identify.
Master caution. Engine 1 failure.
Okay. Select MCT. So it's 230, confirm?
Confirmed. Wait, lower you will stop. Yes, set it to 230.
230.
Yeah. Speed automatic.
We can do now the non-normal checklists for the engine flameouts number 1.
Engine failure.
Engine failure, yeah.
Engine failure or shutdown.
Yes.
Condition: one of these occurs. An engine failure, an engine fail alert shows, an engine flame out, another checklist directs an engine shutdown. Throttle if engaged, disengage. Thrust lever affected engine. Confirmed close.
Confirm number 1.
Confirmed.
Closing.
When the affected engine is at idle thrust, engine start lever. Affected engine. Confirm cutoff. Confirm cutoff number 1.
Confirm number 1.
Pack switch. Affected side. Off. This causes the operating pack to regulate high flow in flight with flaps up.
And I lost the other one. I'm gonna maintain this. I was watching the localizer.